6:45 in the morning. My kid's been awake since 5-ish. My back hurt. Worst bed I've ever seen in my life. I got sleep here for 2 weeks. It's hot to shit as well. It's 9 and 7. There's Uncle, just got me some buñuelos. A jumbo. It's like a ball of flour with cheese. Really good. Dip it in coffee. Yes. First test. Oh, wow. So, right now we're going to the park with the kids. Before we go eat with her uncle, the kids want to go out, so. Bye-bye. Bye. Yoo-hoo. 3, 2, 1. We got a little gym over here. I haven't seen a dog with a leash over here. Everybody got like pit bulls and shit. Go, go, go. Run. High five. Acá. No? Okay. Let's go, Tom, baby. Hello. We're all in the car, and we're about to go eat. Yeah, buddy. Parillas. That's what we're about to eat. All I got one as well. Time to go in, about to go eat. James. Hola. Hola. Do a house tour. Wow. Wow. Nice toilet. Wow. Wow. C'est beau, huh? Look at that. Wow. Nice place. Ooh. What? Nice TV. Ooh. Nice. Okay. Always gonna taste test. I'm not sure what she ate, but it looks good. My son is dropping everything. No. I'm gonna test that. Oh. 10 out of 10. Hey.
Chorizo.
Oh, chorizo. No.
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón.
Chicharrón y aquí hay platanitos y papitas.
Okay, so we're changing the plans. We're going to a park. We're not gonna go to the trampoline stuff. We're gonna go play football, aka soccer. So hopefully I'll be able to get some footage out of that. Who knows? Okay. So we're about to be at the park. There's a lot of people. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be filming too much because I don't want somebody to steal my camera. Okay, so it is strapped on my wrist, but you never know. There has to be about 400 people over here, mainly kids. It'll be fun to see though. Kids don't play outside in America, Canada, US. Over here they play outside, it's fun. There's so many dogs, oh my god. The dogs, man, oh my god. Atri. Oh. Woo. Go, go, go. Kick. Boy. Bro, we've been playing soccer for like 2 hours. I'm out of shape. We just got some ice cream. It's called chulao. Chulao?
Cholao. Cholao.
Cholao. I don't know what it tastes like. Let's see. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I don't know what that is. Mmm. Oh, it's good. Oh. Actually really good. Looks weird, but it's great. There's still a lot of people over here. It's like 8 p.m. I swear you don't see that in America. It's nice. It's a good feeling for real. And people are not stuck on their phone and TV all the time. They got phones and everything, but like they enjoy being out. It's fun. And it's Sunday right now. People got school and work tomorrow, but they're still there. 3 hours later, we're leaving. It was a lot of fun. We're going back to our grandma place. Gonna give the kids a shower. And I think we're gonna take a shower and call it. That was a good day. Still a lot of people. It's about to be 9. Park is full. Okay, we're back home. Vlog number 2 was a success. I was gonna end that video with a cold shower again, but I think I'm gonna skip this time, okay? So if you guys went that far, you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. It's free. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's free. Yeah, buddy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. How about that? Yeah, buddy.